police stop 2 fish. You know, X or that. Look like a X6. Yes. Him say the officer no cute. Him say him Adam and Eve. Alright, girl. He say you 2 big breasts and Eve. Say one want to be behind the officer. Say Eve. Yeah. No, Ash Wednesday, yeah. See, him name Adam and him name Eve and he having 2 big breasts. Yeah, so police have to go through rough out here, you know. To deal with all them kind of people, yeah. But you have to just remain calm with the police and hold the faith, you know. Can't make them dry out, but officers have been very professional, you know. Now put it over with them. Yeah.
Pan a real though. You know, say if that man was not gay, you know the treatment would be totally different for him. Right there, you know that, right? You know, now don't get me wrong, you know, you have good, you have bad police. And this is the next thing too. People need to show them appreciation and respect for police officers, because really and truly, and I will always say this, a police officer's job is not easy. Never easy. You see me? I mean, them can't just go up on the road any day and any time and anything bad just can happen, because this world is crazy, yo. And when I say crazy, I mean it is crazy. You just see an example a while ago, right? Yeah. He's Eve and he's Adam. Trust me, I can't say it no other way, you know what I mean? Because it is what it is. That's what my eyeball sees. You see what I'm saying? Alright. So, really and truly now, this is the thing I want to point out to you, my viewers, and this is the thing I want you, my viewers, to help me to see if my point, if I point in the right direction. Do you see any form of privileges? You know what I mean? Would it have been different if he wasn't gay? You know what I mean? The way all the police treat them and talk with them, you know. Because really and truly, the police not treat them no way bad to me. You know? So do you see any form of privileges? You know? And you know what I mean? Alright, but one more thing though. I know how some people can be when they are commenting on things like these, you know what I'm saying? Remember now, I try to keep this a family friendly site, you know what I'm saying? So me now say you can't express yourself. You can express yourself as much as you want, but make sure it is polite with fewer, you know, aggressive, you know, bad word me I talk about them. You get what I'm saying? So please leave a comment. Let me know what you think. You know what I mean? And as always, you know, if you're new to my channel and if you want to keep up to date with what I go on, you have to click the subscribe button. You know the normal thing already. And if you need to contact me, read the description below. You know you can find seriousskilla, Facebook, Insta. You know the thing, alright? Anyways, as always, my name is Skilla, and that was Dancehall Entertainment.
Hey man, you know what I watch? Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla. Seriousskilla Entertainment.